Hi Maker, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute pineapple garland, because I don't know about you, but I think we all need a vacation. For this project, you will need the following. For this project, you will need green felt in 3 colors, yellow felt in 2 colors, and pink orange felt, HTV in brown, glue gun and glue sticks, twine if you want to make it a garland, an EasyPress Mini or EasyPress 2, Cricut Maker or scissors, fabric grip mat, and light grip mat. You'll also need Fleece Fun's free pattern files that are available on fleecefun.com. Now, you can absolutely cut out elements of this project by hand. So if you don't have access to a Cricut Maker, don't worry about it. I have a PDF file for you. You can cut it out yourself. DIY pineapple decor, step 1, cut out the items needed. Gather your materials. Switch to the rotary blade in your Cricut Maker. Using the rotary blade tool, cut out the pineapple base, tops, and body in the felt colors that you desire. Next, switch to the fine point blade. Cut out the HTV for the pineapple decor. All right, now that you have all those elements, it's time to add the HTV to part of the pineapple. Step 2, weed the HTV. Weed the heat transfer vinyl for the pineapple texture. Take your time and mind there's a little triangle in the middle of each diamond. Set it aside. All right, looks good. Next step. Step 3, assemble the DIY pineapple decor. Now this pineapple is made up of layers, so we're just going to kind of build up the layers on top of that base layer. The basic formula to each pineapple is the base plus the middle and front toppers plus the body, and the HTV equals a complete pineapple. First, we'll iron on the heat transfer vinyl onto the felt pineapple body. Next, we'll hot glue the middle topper to the base. Notice that the blades line up with the base. Now it's time for the front topper. Again, line up the blades with the base and glue down. Finally, glue the body of the pineapple to the base. Repeat until all your pineapples are assembled. Step 4, make the pineapple garland. All right, now if you want to use it as a garland, here's how you do that. Using some of the leftover felt scraps, cut a rectangle and glue each end, leaving the middle unglued to the top of the pineapple. Repeat with each pineapple. Bring the twine through and decorate with it as you wish. And that's it. You have this really cute pineapple decor. It works for a bunch of different things, and I love it. It's just happy. If you like this project, I have several more on fleecefun.com that I think you'll enjoy. And hey, while you're here, why not give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more tutorials like this one. Now, let me know in the comments below, where do you like to vacation? What is your dream vacation? Where do you want to go?